Good morning, Maria and Ricky. I'm standing in front of your home and I'm going to just kind of give a quick walkthrough. Um, Looks like from the outside here, haven't been in it yet, but the insulation is hung. Not the, yeah, the insulation is in. Oh, doors and all the interior finish and stuff is here. Sheetrock is delivered and in the rooms, but apparently have not been hung yet. But let's just kind of walk through. So that will be getting done this week, hopefully, here, and we'll kind of go from there. But I'm just kind of got soaked in the mud there. But anyway, um, doors and everything are in the garage. Sheetrock's in, ready to be hung. Insulation has been installed and inspected. Walking through the home. Headed upstairs. I'm in the loft area here. Let's just walk over into the owner's suite. That's the ceiling. Okay. HVAC completed. Okay, and there you go. And just a view out of the back window, patio. Okay, there you go.